To my Etsy shop. I just wanted to show you a starter pack for beginners. If you're ready to upload some documents to your Remarkable to help you plan and to help you get organized and to take all your notes with and um, to do your finances even, then there's this neat little bundle that I've put together which you get 25% off when you get all four together. So I just wanted to show you through. This is my Etsy shop. Welcome. I just got my star seller, which is really cool. You can see all the products here, and if you just come in here and you just want to look for some Remarkable stuff, then just go to the Remarkable tab. But in the starter pack, which is this pack here, when I click on that, I've already pulled them up just to make it quicker. In here you get 4 products. You get the daily planner, which I will go through with you now. Which we've got an indexing system that I use in all of my documents, so it's the same indexing system. Once you get used to it, you'll be fine. Once you understand it, it'll all mean the same thing. The budget planner, the notebook system, and the journal for him and her. That's what's in them. Now, and also you can go to each listing down here. I've put the link in for every listing, so you can do that. But I'll just run you through quickly. The daily planner, again, we've got 4 indexes that we use in the bigger documents that we've got. Lots of hyperlinks and all of that. Your notebook pages, your business pages, your home index, your yearly calendar. It's really cool to have a year at a view. I use it all the time when you have to strategize for your year. That's super useful. The business pages has a huge index in it. And the note paper styles, you've got the 10 note paper styles that are in the notebook product. But in the notebook product, they're all hyperlinked and everything. In here, you've got the note paper styles that you can duplicate. In the Remarkable, you copy them and move them, and you can take every one of those styles. There's fabulous little styles in there. And there's wellness pages for you, because that's super important that you keep up with your wellness. And I've also done a little grid of, just letting you know what each planner does. So that's the daily. The notebook pack, as I just mentioned, has all of these 10 styles in it. And what did I want to show you? And it's hyperlinked. So each note paper style, like this Cornell lined here, there's 25. You can call them sections. They're pages. They're all hyperlinked. But the idea is that you can insert as many pages behind each one as you want. So there's 25 sections in each book. And I've given you all 10 so that you can, sometimes you might need columns. Sometimes you might need a bullet journal style. See, there's the bullets. Sometimes you want blank, but Cornell's great because you've got the summary down the bottom and the highlights on the left. So that's the notebook system. The journals, this is a guided prompted journal. It's 31 days where you can work through just the prompts that are there. It'll ask you what you want to do, and then you can move on to the next one. It just helps in terms of giving you a focus for the day, and sometimes I just can't I just can't think, and so I love having a prompted journal. I use it every day myself as well. And the last product, the 4th product, is the budget planner finance tracker. Pardon me, excuse me. And it's got all of the things in here. So you've got the calendar. So again, you can see the yearly calendar. There's the income pages, the expenses pages, the savings pages, and I've given you a couple of note paper so that you can duplicate them. They're already in your PDF, because when you upload to the Remarkable, you can't change the PDF in the Remarkable. You can only change a PDF on your desktop or laptop computer. So I've actually included some note papers so that you can copy and paste them anywhere in and customize completely. Each document has got those as note papers. Even the journals have got a journal page in there, which I'm not sure if there's an icon for it to show you. But there's even a journal index over here that you can totally add pages into your journals as well. So everything's customizable. So that's the deal. For when you're just starting out and you just need some basics, these are they're top quality documents. The daily planner, which has got your monthly and your weekly in it. The 10 pack of notebooks, a journal. You've got both versions for him and her, and the finance tracker. It's all to get you started. So I like to help beginners, and these is for beginning your journey with Remarkable, or even beginning your journey as a digital planner. You may not have dived into digital planning yet, so this is the perfect way to start. Lots of support on my channel for how you do that, how you go about it, and I've started writing for my blog already, wholeheartedme.online, so feel free to pop over there, and I've got one article up already. I'm writing a couple more right now, how you can start digital planning for free. I think one of the one I've just written is 11 tips and tricks for your Remarkable. So yeah, go over and grab it and read it and enjoy, and hit me up, ask me any questions you want. I'm happy to make a little video if that helps. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. Bye.